Hi there. I want to show you how you can use some of the Microsoft programs to instruct your students on math topics while we're going digital here. I know that it's especially hard for math teachers given the less options that you may have when using Microsoft. But I do want to show you they do have some things in there for you. The first thing I'm going to point out is in the insert menu, they have this option over here called equation. You will get this box and you can, type an equation there however you like. But they have a few other features in there similar. So back to insert. If you click on this down arrow, you get a bunch of templates. So if you were covering quadratic formulas, you could perhaps use this template, and these numbers and letters can be changed wherever you need to. You can go in and delete and put in a different number. The other thing you have, again, back on that insert tab, I want to try to put my, so when I click on the equation, I do get these symbols up here at the top. These are math symbols that you wouldn't normally see on the keyboard and may be difficult if you were writing out equations, difficult to find maybe in the symbols box. So that makes it easier to type them out. And you also have some other templates here depending on the different types of equations that you're going to write. For example, all right, this is a common fraction, something I've seen before. So you will get that template there, and that way you can create your fraction a bit more easily than if you were having to draw lines or skip lines or anything like that. This feature exists in Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote. So I'm going to show you in PowerPoint. Same thing, it's in the insert menu, equation right here. I've inserted a few equations here for an example. Two things about PowerPoint that I thought might be beneficial over Microsoft Word. One, if you only want to show one equation at a time or one type of equation at a time, you can do that by adding multiple slides, and you would just designate which slide would get which equation or equation type, and you can go through it in the order in which you want to. The other thing, remember, PowerPoint has the screen recording feature, which will allow you to record your screen so kids can see you solving a problem as you're explaining how to solve it. They can also hear, you can narrate just as I am doing right now, what it is you're doing. So they kind of get some extra instruction there. If you choose the audio, it will just add an audio clip to the page. They won't necessarily see if you're moving your cursor or doing anything like that. They won't see that. They'll just see what's on the screen. All right, I'm going to show you also what's available in OneNote, but I'm going to do that in a separate video. So if you're interested, OneNote does have a few additional options. If you're interested in trying that out, then go ahead and open the OneNote video.